and welcome back to my channel. With the coronavirus wreaking havoc around our world, somebody asked me if I would make a face mask for her. So I decided that I would videotape it and share it with you. First thing I do is I create a pattern on a piece of paper. Once I work out all the issues, I go ahead and make a new pattern. And I will leave a link to my website if you want to download this pattern for free. You're going to cut 4 of these, 2 for the lining and 2 for a fashion fabric. Since I'm using the same fabric for the lining, I just cut 4 of these. Now you're going to take 2 of these and put right sides to right sides and sew down the middle. You're going to do the same thing for the other set. Once those are sewn together, you're going to do right sides to right sides and you're going to sew along the top and along the bottom. Do not sew the side seams yet. Once the top and the bottom seams are sewn, go ahead and flip it right side out. And once you got that flipped right side out, you're going to take the sides and you're going to tuck the sides in on itself. Once you have the side seam tucked in on itself, you're going to gather about 1 inch in that same side just to make sure that it goes around the curves of the face. Now you're going to take some thin elastic or elastic cord and you're going to measure around your ear. Make sure it's not too tight, but it's tight enough to keep the mask on. And you're going to put one end on the top part of one of the sides and the other end of that same elastic on the bottom of that same side, so you create a loop. And then you will top stitch that all together. And you want to do this for both sides. And top stitching the top and bottom is optional. This one I did make a few more later on, and I did not top stitch those. And that little bit of time, you are done with your own DIY face mask. As I said earlier, I did make a few more. As you can see here, I made a checkered one, of course, then a Batman one, and I did make a couple of them that were reversible. One side has one kind of fabric, and the lining is a different side of fabric, so you can wear it whatever side you want out, whatever day you want to wear it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week. Bye!